Hey, hey, it's Kid from Kid and Play. Hey. Special shout out. My house party homie, we call him Richie Mack.
Who's he?
And I'm proud to let you know that you are watching Zoom to Thailand.
I'm the Travel OG, and I traded in my Hollywood lifestyle for the sexy beaches of Pattaya, Thailand. We're bringing you exclusive interviews, showing you what the golf courses are like, the caddies are like, what the homies like. Zoom to Thailand with your man Richie Mack, the Travel OG.
I don't know English.
You don't know English? You know Thai though. You speak Thai. Can you speak Thai? Tell me what's wrong with the computer in Thai. Tell me in Thai what happened.
หน้าจอเสีย
Oh, what else?
broke.
No.
What you call this one?
No, but you gotta tell me in Thai. I want you to talk that Thai talk.
หน้าจอเสีย
There you go.
What you call this one?
Huh? Screen.
Yeah, skin broken.
He broke the screen?
No, not broke. Him turn แล้วthis. Not same that. Him open แล้วwhat you call?
Screen?
Yeah, skin not broke. I don't know.
One time like this, make it pop like this, make it knock like one time like this, make it pop like this, knock like this, make it drop like one time like this, make it pop like this, make it knock like this, make it drop one time like this, make it pop like this, knock like this, make it drop like one time like one.
I want to give a special shout out to all my Patreon members. I can't believe how fast the Patreon is growing, and now they even trying to yellow flag the spicy content over there. But I got something for that, right, Patreon members? Thank you for your support. I'm about to drop a little something over there after I finish dropping what I'm dropping over here. Zoom Tribe! And for those who plan on coming to Thailand, restrictions are being lifted, so you're running out of excuses. You can also get a private 30-minute or 1-hour consultation with the Travel OG. And I can talk to you about anything and everything regarding coming here, where to stay, the best spots to go, eat at, all that. Ask anyone who's had a private consultation if they got their money's worth.
Hey, Travel OG, this is James Turner. Hey, listen, man, I want to just thank you for a excellent consult with me, man. You've answered a lot of my questions on a personal level and for what I would need to have in Thailand in order to have a good time, brother. And I need to tell you this, man. Every time, and I mean every time I see any of your videos, brother, man, I can't wait to pack my bags and get the fuck out of here. I just wish that my bags were already packed, ready to go. I'm headed to the airport. I'm on my way there. You know what I mean? But I want to thank you so much, man, for doing your consult with me, man, and really, really have a good time at Thailand, man. Thanks again, bro. God bless.
Check the link in the description or follow the Zoom to Thailand Instagram page to contact me directly. Stop playing and see what all the fuss is about. And for those of you who can't come for whatever reason, I'm going to keep dropping these Heat Rock episodes. Yeah, dude. You said in Thai. You know, I like when you talk that Thai talk. What happened to the thing? Tell me in
หน้า
Thai.
จอเปิดแล้วไฟมันกระพริบค่ะ
Oh. I understood the car part. Car.
โอริค่ะ
Car, but I
you
like
understand โอริค่ะ
I like when you talk in Thai talk. So we're gonna go to dinner later on. Chinese food with my Thai noodle. With the Chinese spot with the Thai noodle. I've never seen a Thai person eat Chinese food before. I always wonder, is like rice different in Asia than it is everywhere else, you know? Black people got their rice, Mexicans have their rice, Chinese people have their rice, Thai people have their rice, Vietnamese have their rice. But what's the difference? Like, who makes the best rice? I go to the store, man, they have so many different brands. You know, we just got Uncle Ben's at the crib. They got like 50 different versions. Noodle don't tell me. How was it, Noodle? You try? You know they got the spare rib. You know they get down with the spare rib. She gotta work them chopsticks though. Oh. She gotta work them chopsticks. See if she like it. She's thinking about it. Oh, you like it? Oh, okay. You take care of me?
Yes.
Cool. Thank you for taking care of me. So she's, you know they get mad when you do this. They get mad when you like fix my food.
Why?
I don't know. No, that's why I say, why are you mad?
Why you mad?
I don't know why y'all mad because she organizes my food for me. I don't know why they mad. I guess they think, yeah, think dong. They think dong. It's normal. Yeah. It's normal for her to do this, but they be like, you should do it yourself. You let her finish her food. You know? She don't go back to her food, but some people don't like it though. I don't know. We should do things that make them happy. Well, we in Thailand. So she like removed the bones for me so I could go right in. That's her job, y'all. I buy, she fry. You understand me? Every month or so, me and Elle go out and spoil ourselves. We go to this upscale massage spot called Easy Health Massage. They're like the Thai version of Burke Williams. Classy, upscale, super professional. Has a Four Seasons type of vibe. Don't expect any happy endings here, but a great place for a couples massage. Check it out. Sweaty cup? Yeah.
Can't get enough of your loving. One time, can't get enough of your loving. I'm addicted, baby, I'm addicted. Addicted, Polly, I'm addicted. I'm addicted. Nasema, I'm addicted. I'm addicted, baby, I'm addicted. Nami ushaniteka kanani. I wanna lick a taste of that honey. Ujana mitwenda sote kizani. Kama a rap na rumba twachani. Na misi wazitoka cause I'm in. Body fine smooth tender like margarine. I wanna feel your body, be your daddy. No need to debate. Nataka niwe ndani, we are the usininyime. I like it slow and naughty, girl, you got me screwed, you came my way. I'm addicted, baby, I'm addicted. Addicted, Polly, I'm addicted. I'm addicted. Nasema I'm addicted. I'm addicted, baby, I'm addicted.
Y'all missed it. Y'all missed it. Are you getting the back shot now? Y'all missed it. Too late.
I'm gonna do everything it was a could please my love. See only one gina juu yako, baby take it easy now.
Okay, cop, cool cop. Set loud. What's that loud? Man, I gotta tell y'all, man, I love this at night 80-degree weather. Just finished my massage, man. And they're already partying next door, man. This place is such a chill spot, man. I wish all you guys could come check this out. But that's it for now, man. We did the massage at the Easy Health. It's very good, very professional. You get it in, you get what you want. 2 hours for $50 each? Come on, man. You can't beat that anywhere. And you know what comes next, right? Theme music!
Zoom to Thailand, hope you coming too. Richie Mac, travel OG with celebrity interviews. Get your passport, let's go. This is what you need for show. Brothers in Thailand and bikini babes at the beach. If you need more, he got it poppin'. Caddy of the day, we golfing. Really ain't a better option. Time to travel, like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Let's connect. Richie Mac, yeah, we steady vibing. Take a journey, let's get moving, cause we zooming right to Thailand. Hey, Richie Mac, travel OG, let's go.